Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the ESS News. I'm 𝗪𝗲𝗃𝗧𝗂𝗧. You're watching ESS News, bringing you the latest updates from European Standard School. Here comes the headline. ESS to celebrate 25 glorious years this August. A grand Silver Jubilee event has been announced to mark the school's 25th year journey. Honourable Principal shares special message for the ESS community. Principal Sir invites everyone to join the celebration with heartfelt reflections. The registration for Silver Jubilee is now open. Students, alumni, teachers, and parents can now secure their participation online. Students gear up for cultural performances across all ESS campuses, rehearsals in full swing ahead of the grand celebration. Stall booking underway for Silver Jubilee event. Limited slots available for entrepreneurs and ESS well-wishers. Yes, you heard that right. ESS is all set to celebrate its 25th Silver Jubilee on Saturday, 23rd August 2025 at the 𝗬𝗪𝗃 Dhaka cantonment. This grand event will bring together our students, alumni, teachers, parents, and well-wishers from all three campuses. It's not just an anniversary, it's a celebration of a legacy built on education, excellence, and empowerment. On this special occasion, our Honourable Principal Sir has shared a heartfelt message, reflecting on the journey of ESS and inviting everyone to be a part of this milestone event. Here's a short excerpt from his message.
As ESS celebrates 25 years, how would you like to reflect on this journey so far?
Well, it has been a long way to come to this day, and we have been trying our level best to groom our children, to give them the education and also to put the impact in their minds so that they eventually come up as very good human being. That has been the intention right from the beginning, and it has been in the process with the help of our teachers, parents, and also all other staff. We have been working together, and it is a team effort, I will say. And considering that fact, I will say definitely it is a good journey for us, and we are very optimistic about the process that will be also coming in the days ahead, inshallah. So it's a nice feeling, good feeling, and it's a very good milestone to achieve.
What message would you like to share with the students, alumni, teachers, and parents as we approach this milestone?
I consider we belong to a family. Even students, those who have completed their education here and now, they have gone to different universities, or also some of the alumni, they have completed their education and now they have gone to their professional life. But the feeling, it is always there. They also feel for the school, and we also feel that they are with us. So I like to have a platform where we can always go for some kind of gathering, exchange of views, because as the world is very dynamic, there are changes it is going through. So we also need to take the inputs of our alumni, of the parents, and also even from the existing students. So that is how we can try from our side to give the educational services in a best possible way. So I believe that that is how everyone will be coming forward to contribute and to help us in this regard, and the journey will be on, inshallah.
Thank you, sir. That's all for today. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you very much.
If you're planning to attend, don't wait. The registration process is now open for students, alumni, teachers, and guardians. To register, simply visit the link. The registration fee details and complete steps are available on the portal. Let's make this event memorable together. Meanwhile, excitement is in the air across all ESS campuses. Our talented students are actively rehearsing for the upcoming Silver Jubilee cultural program.
Here is her Jubilee. We will be the reverse, stand please, and stop for you. Together we can make the heart
Also, stall booking for the event is now going on. If you're an entrepreneur, a brand, or a former student wishing to showcase your work, this is your chance. Contact the numbers below and secure your stall before spaces run out. That's all for today's edition of ESS News. We'll be back soon with more stories, achievements, and campus highlights. Till then, stay inspired, stay connected, and keep celebrating ESS.